Programming editor must be closed to perform a block comparison. To begin, be careful to highlight the blocks folder. If a single block is highlighted, only that block will be compared. Select the Options menu and choose Compare Blocks. You can also right-click on the Blocks folder and choose Compare Blocks. You have the option to include system data blocks, which would be the hardware configuration, to compare only to see if the timestamps are the same, or the default, which is to execute a code comparison of the blocks. We're going to execute a code comparison. Click Compare. CPUMemoryResetInSimaticManager then runs a block-by-block comparison. Data blocks will almost always show in the comparison because the actual values are changing. To omit the data blocks, place a check in the box Hide data blocks with different actual values. Path 1 is the offline project storage location. Path 2 is the online PLC program. In the comparison list, OB100 says that Path 1, the offline project, contains a newer version. Highlight the OB100 block. If you would like to see a description of differences, click the Details button. The Details window shows timestamps, interface changes, size, length changes, and so forth. Click the Close button. Make sure that OB100 is highlighted and click the Go To button. This opens a detailed side-by-side view of the blocks. The offline block is on the left and the online block is on the right. If you look in the Comparison tab at the bottom of the program editor, it tells you that in Network 1 of this statement list code, the offline block contains the command less than or equal to as integers, while the online block contains the command equals, which means equals to as integers. The second line in the Comparison tab says that Network 2 of the offline block contains the command greater than or equal to as integers, while the online block contains the command equals as integers. We would now decide which block is correct and sync the two with the download if the offline block is correct, or close the offline block and perform a save to transfer the online block to the blocks folder. Close the programming editor. In the comparison list, FC3 is also newer in the offline version. Highlight FC3 and click the Details button if you want to see a description of the changes. Here you can see that the offline block size is smaller than the online block size. Close the Details window. Click the Go To button. In the Comparison tab at the bottom of the programming editor, Network 3 in the offline block shows an operator of greater than or equal to 1. This means the network is using OR logic. Network 3 of the online block has newly added AND logic, which is the open contact input 0.4. We would now decide which block is correct. If the offline block is correct, we would download it to the PLC. If the online block is correct, we would close the offline block and perform a save. Close the programming editor. F16 in the comparison list shows that Path 2, the online path, has the newer version. Click the Go To button. In the Comparison tab at the bottom of the programming editor, you can see that Network 4 in the online window has the added address M87.5. Close the programming editor and close the Compare Blocks results window. You have the ability to do a Path 1, Path 2 comparison. This is shown in the video Compare to S7 offline projects. Close the Compare Blocks tool. This concludes the video.